Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to my local model field at Kilton, and conditions are lovely and calm this morning, perfect in fact for flying one of Gwen's aeroplanes. And this is her de Havilland Gypsy Moth from the DB Sport and Scale kit, and it's finished as Amy Johnson's aeroplane. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Flying early in the morning when it's calm is lovely with one of these big floaty biplanes. You get a real sense of what aviation was like back in the 30s, in the age of the barnstormer. I hope you also get a taste of how Amy's record-breaking 9,000-mile solo flight to Australia must have felt. Details of the build of this model, with all its special modifications and all the small details, can be found in another video on the channel, and I'll put a link in the description below. Details of how to paint a 3D printed pilot like this one of Gwen can also be found in our painting guide on the channel. This style of flying is a simple pleasure, guiding the aircraft gently around the circuit with perhaps some touch and goes. Gwen hasn't flown this aeroplane yet, and she feels under pressure due to all the hours of building that we both put in during the lockdown of 2020. So right now she's practicing on this Antonov AN2 Colt, although she has become quite adept with this model. This model is from Maxford RC, and it flies in a similar fashion to the Moth, in that, as many biplanes, it's very draggy and requires a lot of rudder in the turns. However, Gwen has said that the next time we go out with the aeroplane, she wants to have a go connected to the buddy lead with me. Please browse the channel to see other videos of models that we've built together over the years. And thanks for watching.